Anthropology.
Its nature. It is a scientific study of humanity concerned with human behavior, human biology, culture, societies, and linguistics. Goals. Number 1, observe the common things among people. Find out what makes people diverse from each other. And number 3, create new information about humankind and behavior with the use of researches. 4, to understand how people adapt to different environmental conditions. To gain more knowledge about the fossils of early humans and their ancestors through archaeology. Perspective.
Sociology.
Its nature. It is the study of society, patterns of social interaction, social life, social change, and social causes and consequences of human behavior. Goals. Number 1, study the essence of humanity. Number 2, appreciate society. Number 3, teach the students the concepts of behavioral and social sciences. Number 4, to understand how membership in one social group affects individual behavior. Perspective.
Political science.
Its nature. It is a social science concerned with the theory and the practice of politics and the description and analysis of political systems and political behavior. Goals. Number 1, to keep the social order and peace among different groups of people. Number 2, make people better citizens. 3, protect the rights of an individual. And 4, to promote cooperation in governance and politics. Perspective.